Hi everyone! So I have Chantal Caron with me from Osmosis and I'm super excited. She's here to answer all your questions about those amazing products that, I've been carrying for over 5 years now and I love it. They just did a rebranding, a repackaging I should say, but they are the same amazing products. And one of the best sellers here at Sparkle is called Clarify. Probably because I'm the biggest fan.
I'll do it.
Yeah. So I have an acne prone skin. Thank you for Clarify. It really helped, and I can definitely see a difference when I take too much time off in between. So can you explain what is Clarify? Why it's so amazing?
Sure. Oh, it really is an amazing product, a lifesaver even for me with traveling.
Yes.
It is one of our vitamin A's that is more popular for clients that struggle with breakouts, oily, congested skin, lots of blackheads, cystic acne. You can use it all over. You can spot treat as needed. So this particular product has tea tree in it. Besides the vitamin A, it also has the 1,3-beta-glucan to help to prevent scar tissue damage. So if you're somebody that is concerned of breaking out and then getting the pigmented marks from the scarring or the potential to become actually pitted scarring, that's where Clarify is really beneficial. So when you first start using this product, it's going to be really good for balancing oil production, regulating your bacteria levels in your skin, because we don't want to strip everything away. We don't want to get rid of everything. This is all about creating balance in the skin. So even if you have certain diets or medications or things that you're doing that can also contribute to causing breakouts, Clarify really helps to keep it balanced and at bay and prevent the manifestation of breakouts, especially if it's an internal issue. That's why it's such a lifesaver.
Yeah,
so if it will help you during the first 2 to 3 weeks when you start using it to help balance the oil production in your skin, reduce blackheads. It also has the vitamin A, and then it has the chlorella, and it has the niacinamide and things in it that help with circulation and help to nourish your cells that produce collagen and elastin. So for those of you that struggle with large pores or large follicles, this is what we have a problem with, is that your pores and follicles can adjust to temperature changes, and then what happens is the collagen and elastin that's attached to your follicles and your pore walls start to get loose, and then they don't adjust to temperature changes or things as easily, and then they stay more open and relaxed and they get clogged easily. So we want to work on everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so speaking of, once again, people who struggle with large pores and follicles, so we're going to work with every part of the skin that's going to help to support your follicle and your pore walls. We're going to help with regulating the oil production in your skin, which is going to help with blackheads and oily conditions, breakouts. You can spot treat with it, so if you struggle during menstrual breakouts where you only get them around that time, you can just use it in those areas. But you want to use it for ongoing purposes. Once again, start once a day for the first week, see how you do. Drink lots of water. That is very important with Clarify, especially because you want to flush all the toxins and everything through the internal organs out that way, and not coming out through your skin with purging. So we want to just make sure during the first week that we're letting the body just eliminate toxins the way it should, and that's why you want to drink lots of water when you first start it. And during the first couple of weeks, you'll start to see your oil production start to balance out, and it will reduce your breakouts.
Awesome. I love it. You need to try it. Bye-bye.